Alright YouTube, here we go, doing Bowman Sterling football 2010. Hope it's something to get real excited about. 4-box case. This is box number 1, this is box number 2. And there's this little cardboard wall. And behind that wall is box 3 and box 4. We'll break that wall down after we get through the first two. Alright, we got a checklist. Alright, here we go. We'll do this mini pack first, right? It's gonna be like a dual relics or something. Look at that. First one is the Tebow and Demaryius Thomas dual jersey for the Broncos. Alright, here we go. Pack number 1. Goes to ljmaya. Congratulations, Juan. Good start. Alright, we got a refractor to start. Derek Morgan. Refractor rookie card for the Titans. Regular refractors, or this one's the $2.99. First memorabilia is a CJ Spiller jersey card for the Bills. For the Ravens, David Reed rookie jersey. And the autograph. Nice one. Jacoby Ford rookie autograph for the Raiders. First one. For Irving. Nice hit. Jacoby. Guy's pretty fast. Pretty fast, that guy. Rookie card of Akwazi Owusu-Ansah for the Dallas Cowboys. Spiller jersey and Jacoby Ford. Alright, we got a Morgan Burnett Packers rookie card. Ben Tate for the Texans rookie jersey. These are all rooks, not jerseys here. Refractor Joe McKnight, refractor number to $2.99 jersey card for the Jets. Snuck into the playoffs even after losing. We got a gold. I can see gold. We'll slow roll it a little bit just because I see it's gold. Maybe it's somebody sick. David Reed gold for the Ravens. Look at that. Dolphins out for Ravens. Guy knew. He knew. Gold refractor number 25. So nice looking. And a Doran Dixon rookie card for the Texans. Thanks, this one's a little thicker. This might have the ooh, it's got a freaking printing plate. Woo boy. Printing plate auto or something fat. Oh shit. Maybe it's a printing plate material, I don't know. Who knows? Fuck it. Patch. Alright, here we go. On the top is a Chris Cook gold refractor rookie card, numbered to 25. That's pretty nice looking for the Vikings. Mojo flying tonight. We got Colt McCoy for the Browns jersey. And I don't know what's next, man. We'll see. Check it out right now. Ooh, boy. I don't know what it is. Here we go. What is it? Mario Williams. Oh, it's a printing plate jersey. Or a patch. No, it is patch. It's just one color. For the Texans, 101. One color 101 printing plate patch card. That is a patch, yes. Where's the colors, man? It's a damn 101. Let's go. What the fuck? I think it's a patch. It's that thick. It feels like a patch. It's red. Like a, I don't know. Still nice. For the Texans. We got a John Skelton autograph rookie for the Cardinals. And Desmond Briscoe rookie for the Bucs. This box is taking a while to open, ain't it? Doesn't just feel that way. Maybe about a 10-minute box of cards. But every card is nice. Every card gets shipped. Obviously, even the regular rookies, you guys get all that. In case anybody was wondering. Clean plate patch. Oh, here's the relic auto. All right, Everson Griffin blue. Where's the numbering on the back? Numbered to 99. Blues are to the 99. Rookie refractor for the Vikings. Got a Javid Best rookie jersey for the Lions. Blue refractor jersey of Richard Seymour, numbered to 99 for the Raiders. And this should be an autograph relic of some sort, I believe. Or maybe no, so we got a Steeler. Jonathan Dwyer. Jonathan Dwyer jersey auto for the Steelers. He's numbered. That one is not numbered. I think we get one of those a box. One material auto a box. We'll test it. Oh, maybe not. I think we got another one right here. Never mind. Never mind. Jared Odrick refractor rookie for the Dolphins. So we got a random right there. 2. You guys say 2? Alright, that's cool. Ndamukong Suh jersey for the Lions. 2 per box. Nice. Alright, thank you for clarifying. We got Eric Decker jersey card for the Broncos. And here we go. Whatever this one is, should be another material auto, since we should get 2. Congratulations, ljmaya. Look at that. Tim Tebow, jersey auto for the Broncos. That is nice. Not numbered, but there's the one. Tebow, first box. Sick. And the last card is Antonio Brown, rookie card. The Steelers. First box Tebow. Nice. Congratulations, Lon. There it is again. Sick. Alright, here we go. Last pack. Good luck. Don't tell Lon to give me his card for his birthday, dude. Lon's card. Stop typing that kind of shit in the room. Here we go. Good luck. Alright, we got a Brandon Spikes. Refractor rookie for the Patriots. For the Steelers, Jonathan Dwyer. To go with the jersey auto, there's a regular jersey. Pretty nice refractor jersey of Sam Bradford, numbered to 299. For the Chargers, blue refractor numbered to 99 of Jonathan Crompton. Jonathan Crompton auto. Last card is Marquise Pouncey, rookie for the Steelers. And that is it for box number 1. Peace.